I wanna show you how to make a glow effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already added my video clip to my timeline. The first thing that you need to do is to duplicate it by holding Alt and dragging it above. Go to the effects and write Find Edges. Add the Find Edges effect to your video clip. Come back to the effects control and by the blend mode, change from the normal to screen. Under the Find Edges, uncheck the inverted and by the blend width, write 30. Come back to effects and write VR Glow. Add it to your video clip. Let's come back to the VR Glow. For the Luma, let's write 0.20, Glow Radius 70, Glow Brightness 1.20 and by Glow Saturation 10. Let's choose the tint color, in this case it is red one. And let's uncheck the use tint. Perfect, everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.